Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, March the 30th, 2021, almost end of the month, and we are entering this week the 15th week of lockdown here. And yeah, in the daily newspaper of today, we have only one medium Sudoku, but there's also an additional in this newspaper with 8 extra Sudokus. So prepare for those Sudokus or puzzles. But first, we will solve this baby. This medium Sudoku will be number 2552. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And yeah, if you compare with the in the additional the Sudokus with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars, 26 printed digits is a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? Of course, I picked the most printed digits. For example, there are a lot of 4s. 4 4s. Alright, so 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. I cannot continue. Aha. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the 8 in this row, the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? Let me see. Okay, we have a pair. We have a 2 and a 6 in the last row. The 2 and a 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 and the 6 should be here, or there. 3 boxes. But in the middle column, we have also a 2 and a 6. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair, 2 and a 6. All right. So we have, let me see, we have, yeah, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Yeah, 4, 4, okay. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. We have a 9 in this row. A 9 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. We have a 6 in this column, the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Alright. How about the number 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then. How about... Okay. How about, let me see, 6. Yeah. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In the third row, one of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there another 6, so no 6 here. Only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah, 6. Okay. And now 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. 7 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes and so you can follow it easier. 5. Okay. These 2 boxes in the middle row should be also 7 and 3. Alright. 5. Okay. And now 3, missing the 9. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. In the first column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are, the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Alright, so we have a 3 here in this big square, so no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Yeah. Yeah. The 5. Okay. The 7. The 4. The 1. And the 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here we have the 7 and the 3, so one box left for the 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those two boxes are reserved for the 7 and the 3, so one box left in this row for the number 1. One box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the second column. This box should be for the number 5. Yes, 5 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 7 and a 9. Okay. Then. How about the number? Okay, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in that box. Also here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And now, now, 3, 7, and a 9. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 9, 7. Alright, 3, 9, 7. And look, we have a 3, 9 in this column. So no 3, 9 in this box. The 3, 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Alright. 3, 9, 4. Yes, 3 missing boxes in this box, in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be the 9, and this box should be a 7. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Okay, so we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4, should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. 1 box left in the last row for the number 9. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 2 goes there. All right. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. All right. Then 3, 7 and 9. Okay. Let me see. 7 and 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. I cannot feel this yet, 7 and 3. But we have a pair here, 7 and a 3. That means 1 box left in this column for the number 9. All right. Here also 7 and 3. So we're missing the 5 here. Okay. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 9. All right. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. Nope, we have a 3 there. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes and there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square, 7 and 3. Now we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers again, 7 and 3 in this big square. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku Medium. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye-bye for now.